Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi. I'm speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Well, today is 3rd April. Let's know the importance and significance of 3rd April. There are two important reasons why we observe this day today. That way, today is a global day of engineers. You know the importance of engineers all over the world because the engineers that we use every product these days. We make houses, bridges, roads, engines, cars, vehicles, aeroplanes, whatever you use because of the engineers. Scientists make a prototype. Duty of engineers to see that yes, it's produced at the least cost. Otherwise, scientists can make something where the cost of production will be say $100 and it will be sold for $50. No, that is not the point. Engineers have to optimize the available resources through different techniques. And that way, they will be able to use their management mind also, management technique also to ensure that if some cost of production is say $100, sold for $110, $20, $30, $200, depending on the condition, depending on the country, depending on the product. So this day is very important. By the way, I'm also an engineer. I did my bachelor's degree and master's degree in engineering, besides a doctoral program in allied subjects. So I know the importance. I know if I did not select engineering as my career, I would have not been satisfied. This is my feeling. So that makes a person exact. You have to become laborious. Not as easy to pass engineering degree. So I'm quite satisfied. I'm sure you will appreciate the role of engineers. That way, engineering subject is very important. Other reason is that today is the Independent Artist Day. Artists can be independent and non-independent. There are independent artists who keep on working. They are not employees, they are not attached to any organization or government. They are freelancers. But their number is large. There are millions of artists all over the world who keep on researching, doing work, and many types of art. Art has many, many aspects. So, in order to have a beautiful society where everybody loves each other, everybody is having a clean mind and a green mind, you see, if you use an art, you become totally satisfied and joyful. So you have to appreciate the role of artists, especially today is the time to remember and thank and congratulate all those independent artists all over the world. Friends, tomorrow we'll discuss with some other day. The other day will be observed and tell you the reason. Till then, thank you very much for your time and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.